50 kalimat bahasa Inggris di pasar. Beserta artinya.
I'd like to buy some apples. I'd like to buy some apples. How much is this shirt? How much is this shirt? Do you have any discounts today? Do you have any discounts today? Can I get a kilo of bananas, please? Can I get a kilo of bananas, please? What's the price of these shoes? What's the price of these shoes? Is this product on sale? Is this product on sale? I need a dozen eggs. I need a dozen eggs. Where can I find fresh vegetables? Where can I find fresh vegetables? Are there any special offers? Are there any special offers? Can you give me a discount if I buy in bulk? Can you give me a discount if I buy in bulk? I'm looking for organic produce. I'm looking for organic produce. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? What time do you close today? What time do you close today? Could you please weigh these vegetables for me? Could you please weigh these vegetables for me? I'd like a half pound of cheese, please. I'd like a half pound of cheese, please. Is there a sale going on right now? Is there a sale going on right now? Can I have a receipt, please? Can I have a receipt, please? Where can I find the nearest restroom? Where can I find the nearest restroom? Can you recommend a good fishmonger? Can you recommend a good fishmonger? I'd like to return this item. I'd like to return this item. What's the price per kilogram for these grapes? What's the price per kilogram for these grapes? Are these products locally sourced? Are these products locally sourced? Can I try this shirt on? Can I try this shirt on? Do you have any sugar-free options? Do you have any sugar-free options? I'm just browsing for now. I'm just browsing for now. Is there a sales section in this store? Is there a sales section in this store? What's the price range for these handbags? What's the price range for these handbags? Do you have any recommendations for a good butcher? Do you have any recommendations for a good butcher? Can I get a pound of ground beef, please? Can I get a pound of ground beef, please? How much is a carton of eggs? How much is a carton of eggs? Do you have any gluten-free options? Do you have any gluten-free options? What's the best price you can offer for this item? What's the best price you can offer for this item? Are these products imported or locally made? Are these products imported or locally made? Could you wrap this gift for me? Could you wrap this gift for me? Is there a warranty for this appliance? Is there a warranty for this appliance? Can you show me where the dairy products are? Can you show me where the dairy products are? What's the expiration date on this milk? What's the expiration date on this milk? I'll take 2 pounds of tomatoes, please. I'll take 2 pounds of tomatoes, please. Do you have any vegetarian options in your deli section? Do you have any vegetarian options in your deli section? Can I get a dozen fresh oysters? Can I get a dozen fresh oysters? Are these products non-GMO? Are these products non-GMO? Is there a sale on household items today? Is there a sale on household items today? How much is a loaf of whole wheat bread? How much is a loaf of whole wheat bread? Can you recommend a good florist nearby? Can you recommend a good florist nearby? Can I get a pack of AA batteries, please? Can I get a pack of AA batteries, please? What's the price per ounce for this perfume? What's the price per ounce for this perfume? Do you sell organic honey? Do you sell organic honey? How much is a liter of olive oil? How much is a liter of olive oil? Can I sample this cheese before I buy it? Can I sample this cheese before I buy it? Where can I find the checkout counter? Where can I find the checkout counter?